Let's take a closer look at our Cricut Maker machine. Go ahead and lift this top lid. As you do, the front door opens as well. There are only a few buttons you need to know. Power, of course. This one's the Load Unload Mat button. Here's the Go button, aka the Cricut C. And finally, Pause. This slot is for your phone or tablet, a detail I love because I can easily reference or see my design as I'm creating. Oh, and Cricut really has thought of everything. There's a charging port right here, so your device will never run out of power. Let's take a closer look at the adaptive tool system. This drives the mechanics of the blade housings, determining every move and every cut. Here's the Rotary Blade. This is one of the brand new tools that make the magic happen. You can see the gear at the top of the drive housing. We'll come back to that in a few minutes. To get a closer look at the blade, let's remove the protective cap. Keep this somewhere safe, by the way. You'll need it to protect the blade when it's not in use. The size and design of this blade make precise, intricate details so easy for the Cricut Maker. The accessory adapter comes pre-installed on the A side. Use it for pens or the scoring stylus. The rotary blade moves differently than the fine point blade. The drive housing and clamp B have gears that fit together when that housing is inserted into clamp B. Alright, now the storage cup. There is a deep pocket and a shallow pocket, both padded with silicone at the bottom. This one is perfect for storing your blades since the silicone will protect them from chipping. And this deeper pocket is great for holding your tools and accessories. Plus, these 3 storage compartments means there's really a place for everything. Your larger accessories can go here, and the smaller ones like your scraper and drive housings fit right here. Oh, and a tip. Store your larger drive housing flat side down. It will fit better that way. Which reminds me, if you're planning on working with thicker, denser materials, you definitely want to check out the new knife blade. It's sold separately and a really awesome enhancement for the Maker. Check this out. This magnetic strip keeps replacement blades from getting lost. Whoever came up with that, thank you. The Cricut Maker. More tools, more materials, more possibilities.